Today I was repairing my rear window slider on my 2002 Toyota Sequoia, and while doing that I was removing the rear window, and my rear window defroster cables came undone. They attach right there. So we're going to make a video about reattaching these two little tabs up to there. So I went to O'Reilly. I bought this rear window defogger electronic conductive tab adhesive, and it's supposed to be a pretty simple process on replacing it. So here it is. Got the tabs removed, and it says that we need to clean them off, and it's got quite a bit of glue adhesive on there, and so it has some cleaner activator towelette in here that I'm supposed to put on it. But first I want to get those tabs nice and clean, so I got some real fine 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm just gonna sand it down real good. I got my tabs all clean. We're gonna apply the activator, and it says on here to do not remove it from the case. So you just pull it back, hold on to it this way, and then we'll apply it to our leads real thoroughly there, and then we'll apply it to the window. And this. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to apply the adhesive and mount the little parts up there. Okay, so you hold pressure up there for about a minute, and they appear to be stuck on very snug. Great. And that's how you do it. Now just attach your little plugs back up in there, and you're done.